Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you people are doing well. Now, till now we have been learning about the new lessons, na children. But now it's time to test you people whether you got the concept clearly or not. For that, we need to revise, isn't it? So let's do the revision. So here we go. First is me. What is me? Something that makes you different from others. Okay, like some will be boy, will be the girl. Okay, some will have straight hair, some will have the curly hair. This thing makes you different from others. You look different, other people look different. You like something, other people like different thing. You may use right hand, but few people they are habituated to use the left hand also, isn't it? You may like singing, others may like dancing. You may like reading, others may like writing. So these are the few things that makes you different from others, isn't it? Now, things that make me me. What are the things that makes you me? It means that what are the things that make you look, that make you different from others? Different means what, children? Not same. You are not same when compared to others. You look different, other look different. So different means not same. Do we look same, children? No, we all have different faces, isn't it? That make you different from others. That's called as the difference. Okay. Now the question is, we are different in many ways. How we are different from others? We like different things. Like you take example of here. This girl, she likes to make friends and Sid enjoys being with the animals. Tina loves math. Ravi enjoys playing the drums. Maya loves to play football. So these many different people, they like different things. So these are the things that makes you different from others, isn't it? So repeat after me. WEVARER DIFFERENT, different. DIFFERENT, different. IN in MANY, many. WAYS, ways. We are different in many ways. We are different in many ways. We are different in many ways. Yes, we are different in many ways. Next, that's how I feel. What is the meaning of feel? Feel means something that you feel. Feeling is nothing but you can't see it, you can't touch it, but you can feel it. Here are some examples to explain what is the feeling actually. Okay, so first let's take us this. Today Joy is angry. TODAY, today. JOY, joy. IS is ANGRY, angry. This angry means like this. Look, this isn't it looking angry? Yes, it's a emoji of angry. Next, he cannot find his favorite cap. HECANNOT, cannot. FIND, find. HIS, his. FAVOURITE, favorite. CAP, cap. He cannot find his favorite cap. So why Joy is angry, children? Joy is angry. Why? Because he cannot find his favorite cap. For example, if your favorite thing will miss, if you lose your favorite thing, how you feel? You feel very angry. You will go to your mother and say, Mama, where is my favorite dress? I am unable to find it, isn't it? I couldn't find my favorite dress, Mama. You will shout in the mode of angriness, isn't it? So angry is nothing but it's a feeling. So can you see the anger, children? Can you see it? No. Can you touch it? No. But you can feel it. So anger is nothing but, angry means it's a feeling. Okay, it's a feeling. So can we see the feeling? So answer is no. Can we see the feeling? Answer is no. Answer is no. So can we see the feeling means you have to say no. Repeat after me. Can we see the feeling? No. Can we touch the feeling? No. But we can feel it, isn't it? So why Joy is angry here? Why? Because he cannot find his favorite cap. So if you cannot find your favorite thing, then how you feel? You feel very angry. Do you feel happy? No, we feel very angry. So answer is angry. Let's see the next feeling. For example, you take Millie. Look, she is crying. Why? Millie, M-I-L-L-I, Millie, F-E-L-L, fell, D-O-W-N, down, T-O-D-A-Y, today, A-N-D, and H-U-R-T, hurt, H-E-R, her, K-N-E-E, knee. So Millie fell down today and hurt her knee. So if you fall down from anything, then how you feel, children? Of course, we feel painful. It was painful for Millie. P-A-I-N, pain, F-U-L, full, painful. Painful means it's a pain. So can you touch the pain? No. Can you see the pain? No. But you can feel it, isn't it? So here Millie fall down from the swing and she got hurt in her knee. So she can feel that, but she can't see that pain. She can't touch that pain, but we can feel. For example, you may have fallen from anything, isn't it? So how you felt, children, at that time? You felt a pain in that part where you got hurt, isn't it? So that's the feeling. You can't see the pain, you can't touch the pain, but it will be felt, isn't it? It can be it can be felt. So that's called as the feeling. So pain is a feeling. When you feel this type of feeling, when you get hurt, isn't it? So we have different kinds of feelings. F-E-E, fee, L-I-N-G-S, links, feelings. F-E-E, L-I-N-G-S, feelings. Repeat after me, children. F-E-E, L-I-N-G-S, feelings. F-E-E, L-I-N-G-S, feelings. Once again, can we see the feeling, children? No, we can feel it. So answer is no. And why the Joy is angry here? Why? Because he cannot find his favorite cap. And why Millie is feeling pain in her knee? Why? Because she fell down from the swing. So painful and angry. What is this? What are these, children? These are nothing but the feeling that you can feel it, you can't touch it. Now one more feeling is happy. When you feel happy, for example, if someone gives you your favorite chocolate, do you feel happy or sad? Of course we feel happy. So can you see the happiness? No. Can you touch the happiness? No, but we can feel it. So that's called as the feeling. So happiness is also a feeling. For example, love is also a feeling. You love your mother, isn't it? So when you love your mother, can you see the love? No. Can you touch the love? No, but we can feel it, isn't it? So all these angriness, pain, brave, love, happy, pain, all these are nothing but the feelings. F-E-E-L-I-N-G-S, feelings. Please, children, concentrate on the spellings also, okay? Learn the spellings also. There is one more feeling I would like to tell you, that hate. What is the meaning of hate? Hate means something you don't like it, isn't it? For example, you hate vegetables, isn't it? Most of the children, they don't like to eat vegetable, so you hate it. Hate means something that you don't like it. So can you see this feeling, hate? Can you touch the hate? No, but you can feel it. So these are all nothing but the feelings. F-E-E-L-I-N-G-S, feelings. Well, that's it, children. Try to practice it many times till you get the answers correctly, okay? Well, that's it, children. I hope you people understood, and I hope that you people will practice it hard. Till then, stay safe, connected and blessed. Allah Hafiz.